Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a 6x12 we just got in stock. This one is a 2019 Cargo Craft 6x12 in a red with some goodies on it. You guys can see it's got this nice polished aluminum strip on it, and then the nice silver diamond plate fender upgrade and an aluminum wheel. Diamond plate does have the V-nose guard, which is great for rock protection right there. And you also have an extended triple tube tongue. Triple tube tongues are kind of rare on single axles, so that's a nice feature. Side door does have double lock protection on it with an RV lock and a cam bar. You've got a gutter over that side door as well. And again, upgraded diamond plate fender, 3,500 pound axle, aluminum wheel right there, you guys can see. This one does have side vents and stabilizer jacks underneath the rear. Those are huge on single axles because normally when it's just sitting here, it's going to tip and pivot right here on this axle. So with that stabilizer jack, you can fold it down and not worry about it tipping on you, and gives you that extra stability. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it. You also have a nice polished aluminum wrap on the rear door jamb. This is a great safety feature. It really illuminates at night. You also have a gutter over this rear ramp door, LED strip taillights of course, and then a bonus, you've got Nudo floor with Drymax in this unit as well. This is a great performing floor. It's super durable on top. Underneath is a product called Drymax, and that does not absorb the water or the moisture, and that's also on the underneath side of the trailer as well. So great for longevity purposes. It's a great upgrade to have in your trailer. 4 D-rings in the floor. Side vents, you've got one here in the back, another side vents in that top left corner, so the trailer will naturally vent itself a little bit. You'll have a nice little natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is great if you guys are going to haul anything with fuel in here. LED interior light, puck light. These are great bright little lights. It'll give you guys a lot of light inside this trailer, and that's hooked up to that light switch right there. And then backside of the RV lock gives you guys a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. And you've got 7-foot interior height in here. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, give us a call. We would love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. You can view all of our inventory online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have shipping options available for you guys if you don't live near us, so don't worry about that. We can still get you a trailer. And again, check out our inventory online or give us a shout. We'd love to earn your business.